Hello, this is Little Wild Grass. Today we'll be learning about how to install Python 3, pimp, and IDLE on your Windows 11 operating system. So without further introduction, let's get started. First, open a web browser. In the web browser, go to the link python.org/downloads with an S at the end. Now you need to click on the Download Python button and wait for the download to be completed. After the download is complete, open the downloaded file. You can minimize or close your web browser after seeing the Python setup window. On the first page of Python setup window, you will find two options, Install Now and Customize Installation. We will ignore these options for now and come back to them a little bit later. Below these two options, you will see two boxes. The first box is Install Launcher for all users, and the second box is Add Python.exe to path. Please make sure that you check both of the boxes. After you are sure that both boxes are checked, go back and click on Customize Installation. You will now see the Options feature page with 6 boxes: Documentation, pip, td/tk, and IDLE, Python Test Suite, py Launcher, and for all users. Make sure all of the 6 boxes are checked and then click Next. Now you will see Advanced Option page with 7 boxes. Make sure all the boxes are checked except for Download Debugging symbol and Downloading Debug binary. Below the boxes, you will see Customize Install Location. Python will automatically fill this out for you, but if you're unsatisfied with it, you can change it by clicking on the Browse button. I'm happy with it, so I will keep it the way it is. Click on Install after you are satisfied with Customized Install Location. Then wait for the installation to be completed. After the installation is completed, you will see a page that says Setup was successful. Congratulations! This means you have successfully completed setup of Python. You may exit the Python setup by hitting the Close button. Now, we need to verify if we have successfully downloaded Python, pimp, and IDLE. To verify if you have successfully installed Python, you will need to go to Start and type in Python 3 and Python should show up. Click on Run as Administrator. Type in a random sample program and then hit Enter on your keyboard. If the sample program runs successfully, then congratulations, you have successfully installed Python. You may now close the Python window. Another way to check if you have successfully installed Python on a Windows computer is by using the command prompt. To check using the command prompt, first go to Start, type in cmd, and when the command prompt shows up, click on Run as Administrator. Then you will type into command prompt Python and hit Enter on your keyboard. If it returns Python followed by the version, then that means congratulations, you have successfully installed Python. Now, in the same command prompt, type in exit, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, and then hit Enter on your keyboard. Afterward, type into your command prompt pimp and hit Enter on your keyboard. If you see something like this, then congratulations, you have successfully installed pimp. Now, close the command prompt window by clicking on the X button in the upper right corner. Go to Start and type in IDLE, and IDLE should pop up. If it does pop up, click on Run as Administrator. Try typing in a random sample program and then hit Enter on your keyboard. If the sample program runs correctly in the IDLE, then congratulations, you have successfully downloaded IDLE. And that's the video. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with others. If you have any question or comment, please feel free to comment them below. Little Wild Grass signing out.